The first full trading week of February is drawing to a close right here at the New York Stock Exchange. And while stocks, they went through a series of seesaw sessions courtesy of tariff updates that have led the way for a Friday drop to match Monday's decline. Yes, stocks got off to a bad start this past week after President Donald Trump over the weekend announced 10% tariffs on China. He also proposed, then later paused, 25% levies on Canada and Mexico. Now, that was followed by 3 days of gains. That was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But again, today, Friday, we are watching the markets drop once again after Reuters reported that President Donald Trump planning reciprocal tariffs on trading partners, citing sources familiar with the matter. This could mean raising tariff levels across the board to equal rates charged the U.S. But no fear, a new week is here. There's a lot on the calendar that can move the markets. So the real question now is, will the markets continue to slide or will the bulls come bouncing back? Let's now take a look to see what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Now, Monday does kick off a bit on the quiet note. We have a speech from ECB Chair Christine Lagarde. So instead, we turn to the weekly economic docket, really kicking off on Tuesday, which is also a session dedicated to speeches, this time from Fed Chair Jerome Powell before Congress, providing a broad overview of the economy and monetary policy. Wednesday finally sees more data. We do have the release of January U.S. consumer prices due out, expectations 0.3% month over month. And then on Thursday, we see ourselves in the United Kingdom with British fourth quarter preliminary GDP due out, quarter over quarter expectations calling for a read of negative 0.1%. Then here in the U.S., January producer prices, those are due out. When excluding food and energy, that report expected 0.3% month over month. And then on Friday, it's back to Europe, this time with the EU and the region's fourth quarter preliminary GDP read on tap. Expectations 0% quarter over quarter, 0.9% year over year. While in the U.S., January retail sales, they are due out. Expectations 0% month over month. Meanwhile, keep an eye on political updates out of the U.S. as those have been major market movers as of late. Different stories every day so far. And it's also earnings season. Watch those figures as well as they tend to move the markets. And until next week, coming at you live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICM.